Meat. We need meat. Alright, so he needs water, okay? It's obviously sparkling water, because you know. Timmy isn't dehydrated, so we don't need to give him any water. Portable radio. Clean the rifle. That could be the most important thing we need. I heard somebody. I heard a door. Oh! She's back! Oh! Okay, so she got a first aid kit, so... First aid kit could do us some good. Nothing else? He's thirsty, but he's not dehydrated. She's hungry, so we'll give her food. But he's not. He's just thirsty. He's not dehydrated. Timmy will live. He'll live. He'll live. Oh yeah, let's hit somebody outside. Obviously Dolores. Nothing. We'll send her out with nothing. Actually, we'll send her out with that. That'll give her extra space. If she loses that, then frick her. What is it, Icy? How are you gonna play Fortnite with the steering wheel? Alright guys, my friend Icy Panda's here, so you know, I think he's gonna include his audio, hopefully. Oh, alright. Oh, Timmy's no longer thirsty. Ted is just thirsty. Thing is, thirsty means he'll survive. If he's dehydrated, then he'll die, so we're good. I heard somebody. Come on, Dolores. Let's go, Dolores! Oh, that's a lot of soup. And ammo? And, oh. +2 water? +2 soup? Plus ammo? What is that? Wait. What is that? Bug spray. We could probably eat the bug spray in dire situations. Survive the atomic drill. I bet. On to day 9, I believe? Yep. Might have to make a part 2. Time to ration supplies. They're good. Get the gun ready, get the gun ready. Get the gun ready, get the gun ready, please. Please, who was it? What was it? Oh. Timmy's in... Dolores, you're just hungry, okay? You're all good. Two. Two's good, right? Two's good, right? We probably just died, come on. Ah! Oh. Let's go, guys. We survived for 11 days. Oh my gosh, they actually dropped the bomb. So our daughter's actually dead. Dang. Alright. Well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll start a series on this. I don't really know. This game looks pretty good. Medkit for all the injury. Oh, that's good. So you can get paper cuts in this game? Alright, so I get... Oh, to decapitations. Oh. Alright, so 2 is good, 3 is bad. 2 means soldiers like police.